Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by making sure Bluetooth is available and up to date. That prevents hidden compatibility problems. Once done, open Settings, go to Remotes and Accessories, and enable Bluetooth. This wakes the TV's radio. Make sure your headset, speaker, or controller is in pairing mode. Most show a flashing LED or say pairing. Keep the accessory close, within 3 to 6 feet, to avoid dropouts while the TV scans for new devices. Now you'll pair. When the TV discovers devices, select Add Accessory and tap the name that matches your device. If a PIN appears, enter it on the accessory or confirm 0000 or 1234, typical defaults, to secure the link. The TV shows a paired confirmation. You should hear audio or see the controller respond. If audio is delayed, make sure the accessory supports the Bluetooth profile the TV uses, because profiles control what functions actually work. Finish by setting the Bluetooth device as the default audio output in sound settings, so apps route correctly. If you don't get sound or controls, reboot the TV and the accessory, then re-enter pairing mode. That clears transient radio conflicts. If problems persist, unpair and factory reset the accessory, because stale profiles can block new connections, and make sure both TV and accessory firmware are current to avoid known bugs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.